Oil is the world's most valuable resource. Oil production now exceeds 90 million barrels per day. However, the storage, processing and transportation of this extremely important product for the world economy carries certain risks. Spills and leaks of varying sizes occur every day across the world and sometimes result in ecological disasters. When crude oil or petroleum products are spilled, they can penetrate deep enough into the soil to destroy microflora and severely impact the stratum on a molecular level, which eventually leads to longer-term changes to the environment overall. Man Oil's Research and Development Division in Switzerland has developed a unique technology to remediate these spills. This technology comprehensively remediates oil-contaminated soils without using or creating any toxic product, and leaves behind only rapidly decomposing biodegradable waste that has no negative impact on the environment. As soon as the source of the leak is identified and stopped, Man Oil specialists set up their mobile laboratory and begin to analyze the spill zone by taking multiple samples across the area to ascertain exactly what type of contamination is present. Once the Man Oil remediation team completes the sampling of the contaminated area surface, the analysis begins. The results show the type and level of contamination, which will determine the concentration of NHS Plus to be used. Then 2 tank trucks, one carrying NHS Plus A and the other NHS Plus B, start distributing the solutions onto the site in 10-minute intervals. As the reagents meet, the superoxidation reaction occurs and the hydrocarbons are consumed, leaving the area clean once more. A few hours later, the remediation team takes samples for analysis to verify that the operation has truly been successful. However, further remediation needs to be effected at depths up to 15 meters or more to prevent further contamination of the groundwater. A drill rig bores several holes across the zone, both within and outside the contaminated areas. Man Oil specialists then analyze the bore samples to determine the level of contamination and the remediation method necessary. Man Oil remediation specialists then begin pumping of NHS Plus A into the boreholes outside of the contaminated area to introduce the solution into the groundwater, and the stream moves it towards the contaminated area. NHS Plus B is then pumped into the boreholes in the contaminated area. Once the 2 solutions meet in the contaminated area, the superoxidation occurs again as the hydrocarbon-destroying reaction takes place. A few hours after the treatment is completed, Man Oil technicians retake samples across the zone and analyze them to assure that the remediation process has been successful, and the soil and groundwater are once again not toxic and suitable for agricultural or other non-industrial use. Man Oil continues to monitor the process over the following days to ensure that all contamination has been eliminated. Man Oil, ensuring the safety of our future.